Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to solve can't reach this page error in Google Chrome. First, start by checking your internet connection and make sure you're online. Next, clear your browsing history and data by going to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Go to Delete Browsing Data and clear all cache and cookies and clear the data. You can also try disabling extensions temporarily to see if any of them are blocking the access to the page. If the problem persists, check your DNS in the settings. Go to Security. Scroll down until you find Use Secure DNS. Set a public DNS like Google DNS 8.8.8. And finally, restart your Chrome and try accessing the page again. We fixed the can't reach this page error by checking internet connection, clearing cache and disabling extensions, and adjusting DNS settings in Chrome. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.